I'm not sure how many Maggi I should add. Guys, today I am going to be cooking for the family. My wife came back from work at night. She worked at night. She's sleeping. There is stew in the house, but I just don't want to make rice like normal. I want to try and do jollof rice for her. And I'm thinking, how do I make this possible with the remaining stew? So we're going to be doing it together. There's a lot of crayfish and all those stuff. I'm going to try my best to make it wow. She's sleeping. So there's stew here. There's more in the fridge, but I don't want to use all of them because it's just jollof rice for 3 people I'll be making. So this is the rice. This is not, I don't think it's too much. It's enough. So I'll wash it and I'll parboil it. Then I'll wait for it. Let's see. Guys, I changed my mind. I'm not going to wash the rice now. I'm going to wash it after boiling. I wanted to wash it first, but sometimes I think people wash it after. I think it's the best. That's why the starch will come outside. So our rice will boil. When our rice boil, I'll be showing you the rest of the recipe. Guys, spicing up your marriage. Do these things for your wives. And it may not come out the best, but I believe this one will come out perfect. I believe this one will be the best jollof rice in town. So, and those of us living abroad, you know how it is. You have to support each other. One person works night, one person works day, one person works. So everybody has to cover for each other, like I'm doing this morning. I hope I finish on time and the day is still bright. I'll take my boy out. We'll do a little walk around just for exercise, so he doesn't have to spend all his time at home. So see you. So guys, our rice is parboiled a bit, even though I think all the water is already dried. So I'll be washing the rice now. Learn these procedures, guys. Learn these procedures. So I'm trying to wash the starch out now. So I've poured all the rice inside the bowl. No problem. That's why you should have your filter always. That when these mistakes happen, you will not wash your rice down the drain. Okay? See. So now we're going to the main stage, which is jollof rice preparation. My parboiled rice, I have water, and I have my stew. So what am I going to do? Put the stew on fire. Should I add more stew? I don't think so. So it doesn't too much. Put the stew on fire. I'll put water. This water is enough to cook. I believe the spicing is already down, so I'll be adding more ingredients. Add the salt. So let's see. So add your salt. I think that's enough. Guys, you have to add crayfish. This is crayfish. So there's crayfish. So adding crayfish to make it sweet. I think that's enough. So madam doesn't say I finished her crayfish. And what else do I have to add? Oh, she has grounded crayfish too. So let's add it. So the sauce will be the best sauce. So I'm adding grounded crayfish or so. So guys, this will be tasty. What do you think? And we have Maggi. I'll be adding Maggi also. Maggi, I'll be adding 2. I'm not sure how many Maggi I should add because the stew already has taste. So 2 Maggi goes. What else do we have? Curry, pepper. I think it's okay for now. This is okay for now. Then you stir. You see the sauce. Some of you are already salivating and saying, "Oh, this is going to be delicious." Yes, it will be very delicious. So sauce is ready. Very easy. You can put the rice now. So we're putting our rice now. Oh. So you put your rice. You don't have to turn. I hear if you turn, it's going to burn. So low heat, you cover. It's 10 o'clock already, and see what the day looks like. So I doubt if by 3, 2, it will still be. We'll still have any light. So let's see how it goes. Have a look at our rice. Whoa. So I'll check if the rice is soft now, if I need to add more water on it. I think we need to add more meat. So I'm checking now if it's soft, if I need to add more water to it. I think it's okay. Then let's see, there's still water. Yeah, there's still water. So guys, it's good. This is Christmas jollof rice. Guys, I took extra stew from the fridge. I think I should add more meat to it. When you add more meat, it makes the food look more enticing. It doesn't look like we'll be adding two more, one fish, one chicken. So this are spicy, sweet, yummy crayfish jollof rice. This jollof rice is ready. Finally ready. Let's see if it's dry. Yeah, it's dry. Guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful recipe of our special jollof rice. I just hope madam will like it and say, oh, my husband is lovely and cheerful and adorable and special. So enjoy. See you in our next video. Bye bye.